How to log out of IMO. Ever find yourself looking for the logout button on the IMO and just can't seem to find out? It's a bit tucked away, but I will show you exactly how to do it in a simple few steps. First things first, let's open the IMO app, and in the top left corner you will see your profile picture. Just go ahead and tap on it. That will open up you a main profile menu. From here you need to select settings right over here. Let's tap on it, and from there go to account and security. It's right over here. Tap on it, and there you will be seeing an option called logout. Simply tap on it and confirm logout again, and you are done. You have successfully signed out of your account. Was that easier than you thought it would be? Let me know. It's a great little security step to remember, especially if you are using someone else's device. So that's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.